Hi guys, welcome to this week's 5KP mentoring video. It's August 25th, 2020, and as usual we start with a little disclaimer here telling you that this video is for informational and education purposes only, general in nature, and I'm not intending to give you any financial advice with this. I have a little agenda for today, of course. So topics for today are including portfolio. We will look at it and where are we now, and maybe we need to update some strategy. We'll talk about the strategy, our positions from the previous weeks. Scanning for interesting stocks, so looking for income trades and delta trades. What I mean by that is, for those of you who did the course with me, by income trades, so you guys know, by income trades I mean the trades which are time decay trades, and delta trades, that's the trades which benefit on stock price movement. Then we will look at the beta weighted risk profile. So here we go. This is, I'm just going to disable that quickly. This is our simulated trading account here for our 5K account. That's an our margin account. As you see, it's not 5K anymore, it's much less, but we're doing quite well. Our PL open is around $270 right now, and it mostly comes from, or only comes right now from, the Newmont mining position, which has really also nice theta. So we're making $16 per day with just those three positions. So we have a position in gold, NEM, and PM. These are in here. What we don't have anymore is Visa and KHC, right? KHC. These positions expired, and what I want to show you is how they expired. So let's just jump quickly to the account statement. So you can do this by going to account statement and just look at the profits and losses. You can open that kind of like whatever drop down, and then you can just find the positions that are of interest for you. Normally you would have much less, but I use this this paper trading account before for my own purposes. Philip Morris, that was the butterfly, and it slowly starts moving direction we want it to go, and we will see. I mean, we have a lot of time with this. I'm not really worried about this position. It has 115 days in it and doesn't actually take too much of the resources. So in terms of buying power, it's actually zero. We just paid for it. What did we pay for it? If I just go there again, we paid just $127 for this trade. So it can just wait, and we see for this many days if we get there, somewhere into the profit zone of that triangle. On the chart, PM looks quite bullish. So you see these lines here, they represent our butterfly, the head and the wings. And what we would like it to do is just go a little bit above this 81, and you see that it broke out of this support. Actually, it bounced off the support 200-day moving average. It went down a little bit today, but it already reached level of 80.46 today, and then just dropped down a little bit. But I think it's still bullish. It's gonna take its time. It's breaking out of this old, resistance zone, which is I'm selecting now, this big resistance zone. For decent or solid technology companies, so meaning to me they have a PE ratio of under 25. And I was just looking at these charts here and looking for some volume. I found Hewlett-Packard very interesting. I just don't really like this company, but for trading I think it could be very interesting. And then I also found Oracle, and Oracle I thought that could be traded. If you look at the price chart, you see it was moving sideways and was just always bouncing after the recovery trade. I feel pretty good about this Microsoft. I don't like the company, but MSFT, but the chart looks good. So I was looking like this. Well, it came over up to this level, 216 once, then it dropped back, pulled back on earnings, before earnings. After earnings, it actually gapped up, it filled the gap, and then it continued rallying up, and now it reaches the level of the same resistance that it was here, and it already tested it once, twice, and this is third time. And if it breaks out of there, I mean, the sky is the limit. I don't know where it's gonna go. They paid a dividend already, so it's just paid.